Hey, what's this, eh? Farming at its best, eh?
Hey, look at that manure flying there on that field.
Look at this, huh?
This is unbelievable, eh?
But we came here for another thing.
Where
eh?
do you see a shit like this on other channels?
Hey, what does that mean, eh?
But this time really, but what's with you?
What does that mean, eh?
What?
That dot.
I don't know. You're recording.
Now you are recording.
Did you put off the record?
Yes.
But now do you hear me?
Yes. I thought it was me, but it was all the time you.
Well, it's not you, it's me, eh? It's not you, it's me.
You were
but
screaming.
you know what the good thing, Captain
You were
Blash,
screaming
eh?
at me. Why did you press record? And in the end, it was you.
If
eh?
I look at all that crap there on that cornfield, eh, do you know what I'm happy?
What?
Show the wind socket. Because in fact, it's blowing in a way that the smell is going away.
Well, it was blowing so hard that our wind socket has
This is like some
disintegrated.
like some pirate flag or something. Hey, Captain, hey. Now, of course, hey, first of all, salute to subscribers and viewers. I don't have to scream today. Do you see any lines going on the receiver? Is it
all over the red? Yes, because you're screaming so much.
No, we have the strong wind today, my friends, but don't worry, because we have these beautiful and sexy squirrel balls on our microphones.
Squirrel nuts.
We'll call them the squirrel balls, otherwise this is dead cats or something like that. But it's...
rabbit's feet, eh?
The plane will fly away. Now, I will just tell you this, my friends. We didn't expect that today we will film this. Of course, today it's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday.
It was a plan to film other planes, but since it was wind...
We've posted always something on Friday. Now, I was preparing at home. I have two birds ready. The E-flite Viper and of course the X-fly Sukhoi 27. But what's the point? The jets are ready. I just hope that maybe tomorrow or on Saturday we will have some good weather, so we will be able to film those beautiful sexy birds. But what would be the point to bring them here today?
Yes.
Because of this wind you won't be able to hear the EDF units, and that's...
Speak a little volume down, eh?
Volume down?
You're screaming so hard, eh?
But I'm so enthusiastic, eh? And I was just preparing the planes, and I was watching outside. I said, Captain Blash, the wind is too strong, what to film? And I remembered that not long ago we were trying this baby, the beautiful and sexy E-flite Conscendo glider.
Yes, right about
in the
there.
quarry. But the point is, do you know what's the point, eh?
What?
So I said to myself, what the hell, eh? I will charge the battery, and let's take the opportunity of this strong wind and see if this baby can handle the wind, eh?
The truth.
If it can handle the truth, eh? And what better day to film this than today, Captain Blash, eh? I said this to 5 minutes, and not just that, eh? For once, I have said this to 5 minutes, and today we even have the checker with us, Captain Blash, because the last time we didn't know nothing, eh?
Yes, we were clueless.
We were clueless.
Yeah, that's it.
But you have also seen in the quarry, I mean, how beautiful this plane is to fly, and I just hope and I believe today that this now will be the ultimate fun to fly this, even in, I mean, it's not exactly tornado day, but it's not exactly the slow wind. It's pretty much, usually, like I have said, I won't film nothing else on this kind of wind today, but this baby, I think it's perfect that we test it, eh? So this is it, yes. Captain Blash, hey, my friend. The
viewers, you must understand that we work other things to live. We just fly for joy. We cannot fly whenever we want.
This is nothing, eh?
Yes.
Wait.
This is why sometimes we do only unboxings, eh? Because it's easier for us.
Where should I put this, eh?
Yeah. Well, no. On your... No.
Maybe like this?
Don't press a knopf. Don't press record, eh?
Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Do you say something?
Yeah, perfect.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, because we have the comment, eh? Why don't you go and fly nothing anymore? Oh, I will unsubscribe from your channel because you're only unboxing stuff lately, eh?
Yeah, well...
Oh, hey, sorry.
There are a lot of people in the world because they think obviously that we are doing this for living, but actually
Yeah, of course we're
eh?
not. We're really trying hard. I mean, we're working all days. So when we have a spare time, we see quickly if the weather is okay, and if it's okay, we film something. We would like to film more like we did in the past, but at this point we just can't. So bear with us.
Yeah.
So there's it, Captain Blanche. Enough. Let's see this beauty in all its glory.
Yes, now stand here.
I wonder when the wind is blowing, and I just
you
can't
can
wait to
see it
see
where-
how this baby will glide in a strong wind. So there's it, Captain Blanche.
Yes. Yeah.
Hey,
Where did you start?
look at this. Look. Yeah. At the beginning, I don't need no motor,
Yeah.
Hey, look at this. This is sick. Hey, I knew that this will be. Hey, but this is even better than some 4-meter wingspan plane.
Yeah, more fun.
Yeah, because you don't have to worry nothing and you're just playing with this. I mean, look at this, hey. Yeah, oh, but this is unbelievable, eh? And can you imagine
sexy
how
clouds
much flying time would I have now? Because I don't have to use the motor.
all the time? Yeah. Oh,
What?
no. How have you turned? Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, but I can't turn like this because, look at this, eh? You don't need much motor, look.
Aha, the motor is off.
Yeah, the motor is off all the time. That's the point, Captain Blanche. I mean, look. Yeah, that is why I'm enjoying. Look at this power, eh? Look at this, eh? Have you seen this vertical, eh? And now look at there. Because if you go more up, you have even more wind. And now I think that, look at this, eh?
This is pretty high. Let me show you how far away it is.
And now you can do whatever you want because look, it's much stronger wind up there. And you can just play, look, like a bird. I have seen the hawk there flying in this wind and I knew that this will be one perfection.
Hawk, say.
Terrahawk, stay on this channel.
Yeah.
This is emergency. Yeah, this is sick, eh? It really looks like a bird like this, do you see?
Yeah.
Cruising.
Like a seagull.
You can turn on spot, have you seen this, eh?
Yeah.
Look, it can almost stand still, look.
You have a safe on?
The AS3X
No.
is working. Fast in the wind, and then it just turn, look. Should I show you one? I will come closer
Yeah.
and be prepared.
For what?
Be prepared that I will go vertical.
Yeah. Huh.
And you will see the power of this, eh? I will come slowly, close, in the wind. And then you will see the power of this. I mean, it's insane. Look at this, eh?
You.
I can land like this, eh?
Look at these sexy clouds at the back.
Do you see the plane now?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the vertical? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Still?
Yeah.
Yeah, unlimited, eh?
Oh, it's so far.
Hey! And look at it now, it's standing there, eh? Yeah, this is sick, look. On the spot. Wait, this is unbelievable, look at this, eh? It's even hard now to get it down. Look at this.
It's hard to film over my head, you know? Because I'm leaning back.
Oh, this is unbelievable. Look at this. I'm pushing down the elevator. Look at this. And it doesn't even comes down.
He just wants to stay.
Yeah, this is perfection. Now I was thinking to disassemble this later maybe and put it in the box, but I don't think so. This will be my everyday just to go quickly on the runway bird. I mean, look at this.
Sideways.
Will you catch it in your hands, Captain Blush? Because I don't think that I will suck much more battery.
Where is it?
Not now, I will tell you.
Then we have to go into the wind,
Yeah, I will come from that side.
If I can do it one more time with my left hand.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Second time,
this is unbelievable,
Second time I've catch it.
This is unbelievable,
You have flown this plane twice and never landed,
Huh? I never landed?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I will land,
you don't,
I will land on the carpet, Captain Blush, okay. I mean, look at this, He just wants to fly. I mean, look at this,
Yeah. You will land on the carpet.
Normal mode.
Will you land or what? No.
Look at this speed, Look.
Like a pylon. Hey, there is something beeping,
Gyro initialized.
Yeah, the battery.
Yeah.
Because I was sucking so much. So this is it, Captain Blush,
Yes. Yeah, you have broke it.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, you have broke the front.
Just this pop out.
Yeah, the canopy.
The canopy popped out and that's it,
Yeah, oh. It was pretty fast,
But good thing, I was, I mean, but still, still. I did almost catch it,
Didn't you say you're going to land on the carpet? Yeah. Yeah, no, not anymore, No, don't risk nothing,
Should I land on the carpet?
No. It's good enough, We will check the battery now.
This is unbelievable, wait. I will take out the battery. And you will check it there and I will tell you how much I was flying. I was flying this.
How minutes?
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but in such a day like this, you can fly this. Oh, I don't know. You could fly this for hours or something,
Yeah, for days.
If you will have a wind for a few days, you can fly for a few days.
Wait. Nah, the other way.
3 minutes, right, okay, let's see. We will get some information from this.
60%.
60%, 3 minutes.
Yeah.
But that I believe, do you know why is that 60%? Otherwise, I think it would be even less because I was flying fast.
Yeah.
A few turns.
Nah, there will be more battery left.
If you will fly this, I don't know what, mix flying,
Yeah.
you can set this yourself to,
10 minutes. Nah.
yeah,
6-7 minutes.
check wait, 3 minutes, 60%, 6 minutes. You can set this to 8 minutes, of course, of the motor running not at full speed all the time. 8 minutes, but if you will find a windy day like this, now this means that if I will take this baby a little more up, you don't need no throttle. And oh, those servos just for the ailerons and the elevators and the rudder will not suck so much, eh?
No.
So this is it,
There
eh?
is more than enough juice left.
Look at this, eh? Really strong wind, and I have really watery eyes.
Yeah, me too.
What to tell at the end, eh? Again, I will give this baby 9.75 anytime, eh? Anytime.
Yes.
And you have seen now that even in the strong windy days, this can be a perfect fun. So if you can't afford yourself a big 5-meter glider or even 2-meter or 3-meter glider, this 800mm one will give you the same fun. Really. And even more because you can fly really close to yourself around your tables and I don't know what.
Yes, you can do
So
whatever
this
you
is
want.
it, Captain Blush, my friends. Pilot Robert. Pilot Robert and Captain Blush signing off a beautiful and sexy E-flite Conscendo. Glider that runs on free cell, really powerful, really agile, but still beautiful glider and all that you need in one box, eh?
Yes. Pocket plane.
Yeah, all that you need in one box, except then you have to have the radio and the battery and the charger.
Yeah.
So this is it, eh?
Almost all.
Captain Blush got quick because what?
This is it.
I don't know nothing, eh? I have prepared the birds. Maybe today I will go. Don't know what I will go. Maybe I will start to assemble the giant timber.
Yeah, why not?
Because if I would have been assembled the giant timber, I would fly it in the wind like this. For that bird, I don't have to worry. But I would land, of course, across the runway. I would land there because it has the big Tundra wheels, eh?
Yes.
But it's still in the box, so hey. Let's hope that during the weekend we will have the good weather and jets will be next. And don't worry, my friends, from now on you will see a few maiden flights and a few flights, not just unboxing, say. Sorry, but that's just the fact of life.
Yeah.
Eh? So there's it. But as long as we're having fun, and that's not the point, eh? Like we have said, we don't film, oh, the chopper. We don't film for a living. We're just filming because we enjoy this hobby so much. We love the plane so much. And we want as many as possible for you to click for the first time and to try this hobby. Give it a chance. Believe me, once you will be in the air with the airplane, that's it. You will be an addict for the lifetime. But it's a good addiction. Hey, show the chopper. Show the chopper quick. Whoa, hey. Huh? Blush. Do you see it good?
Yeah.
Because sometimes they land here really close and they practice.
Yeah.
And it's even not that circle of Kirky, that military airfield is not so far away from here, maybe 5-6 kilometers straight line.
Yes.
Huh? So there's it, eh?
Yes. He's going down, eh?
Yeah, of course he is. He will land there.
He will land there. And he will
my
fish
friends,
some fishes, eh?
thanks again and expect more pretty soon. No excuses can get you not to get out of the house and to go to the runway. Maybe even the rain. You can go even in the rain, but you sit in your car and just watch the runway.
Watch the runway.
And have fun, eh? So this is it, eh? Enough, Captain Blush. We love you all again. Thanks, eh?